how to verify YouTube channel with phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Google Chrome or any other browser, and once you're there, you will need to head over to your search bar and then search for youtube.com/verify. Enter it, and you will lead to a page like this. Now here you can choose two options: text me the verification code or call me with an automated voice message. Select a country, put in your phone number, and then hit next and verify it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.